Class 10 Mathematics. I am R.S. Prasad, sir. Today I will start your taxation, Chapter 8, Exercise 2, Part 5. So let us start. Question number 3. Here is question number 3. Ramesh's total annual income of financial year 2008 to 2009 was 3 lakh. So first of all, you can write the income. That is the 3 lakh. So you have to write here total income to 3 lakh. So rebate, he deposit uh, 1000 rupees every month in GPF. So in GPF, how can find? So GPS is 1000. So you can write here GPF. It is 1000 into 12. So it becomes 12,000. So let us see the next one. Every month in GPF fund and paid annual premium of 12,000 in life insurance policy. So you can write here in LIC. That will be equal to 12,000. Now let us see what will be happen. Life insurance, and if there is no tax up to 1,50,000 and the 10% is income of above 1,50,000. Maximum saving permissible, that is the 1 lakh. So let us start. So here is the amount which is exempted. So it is 0, 0, 0 and 4 and 2. So it is 24,000. So which is less than this one. So taxable income is, we can write here, there is no rebate and there is no remaining income. The remaining income is only 3,000. So you have to write 3 lakh. So here is taxable income is 3 lakh minus that is the 24,000. So you can do like this. So it is the 0, 0, 0 and here is 6 and here is 9, 9 minus 2, that is the 7 and it will be 2,76,000. So you have to write the taxable income is 2,76,000. So you have to write here 2,76,000. So divide into this one. It is the 150, that is there is no tax. So subtract this. It is 276,000 and here is 150,000. Subtract this. So we get 000 and here is 6 and here is 7 minus 5, that is the 2 and here is 1. So 1,26,000. So here you can write here it is 0 and here is 1,26,000 and it is 10%. So you can multiply by 10 upon 100. So that is 0 will be cancelled out and so we get here 126,000. So there is the total is 126,000 and education fees is 3%. So you have to write 126,000 into 3%. So 3 upon 100, 0 will be cancelled out, this 0 will be cancelled out. So we get how much? 3 6 ja 18 and 3 2 ja 6 and 1 7 and 3 1 ja 3. So it is 378. So total payable tax. So how one? This one is 12,600 and here is 378. So we can write here it is 378. Now add them. So here is 8, 7 and here is 9 and here is 2 and 1. So that one is your answer. So you have to write this one answer. So let us see the next question. So what will be happen in your next question? Here is the monthly income of the bank employee is the financial year 2014-15 was 40,000 per month. That income is 40,000 per month. So we have to write here total income is 40,000 per month. So it is multiplied by 12. So 12 4 ja 48. So 4 8 and 1 0, and here is 3 0. So 4,80,000 is the annual income. So let us see what will be happen in the next step. He deposits 42,000 annually in GPF, General Provident Fund. So we can write here 42,000 in GPF. Here is GPF. It is 42,000. Now let us see the next one. It is the 42,000 annually in GPF. Now 6,000 semi annual premium in LIC. LIC में 6,000 ले रहा हाफ ईयरली. So in LIC it is 6,000 into 2. So it becomes 12,000. Now come to the next one. So you can say it is 42,000. Now let us see here. This one semi annually. Life insurance policy. If he pays 1,600 every month of 11 months towards the income tax. ये income tax के लिए पे कर रहा है. Then what is the amount of payable tax remaining is the last month of the year. 100% of saving, maximum of up to 1 lakh. So let us see what will be happen in our question. So it is the 4,80,000. So here is no any rebate, so it is dash. So remaining income is 4,80,000. So you have to write like this, and here is you can add this one 0 and once again 0, once again 0, 2 or 2 4, and here is 4 and 1 5. So it is the exempted income. So taxable income, how can find the 4,80,000 minus this one 54,000. So you can write 54,000. So subtract this. It is 0 0 0, and here is 6, and here is 7 7 minus 5, that is 2, and here is 4. So it is 4,26,000 is the amount for tax. Yes, taxable income is 4,26,000. So let us see. Here is 2,50,000. There is no tax. It is nil. So you can say it is 0%. So 2,50,000 into 0%. So it is the 0 nil, and 10%. So this income is minus to this. 42600 minus 2,50,000. So we get only 1,74,000. So you have to write here 1,74,000, and it is 1,74,000 into 10 upon 100. So 0 will be cancelled, this one, and this 0 will be cancelled here. So we get 1,740 and 0. So total amount is, there is no any income, so it is the 0. So you can write here 1,7400. Now come to the 3%, that is the educational fees. It is 1,7400 multiplied by 3 upon 100. So 0 cancelled with this 0 will be cancelled to this 0. Now multiply to this. 3 4 ja 12. 3 4 ja 12, and 3 7 ja 21, and 1 22, and 3 1 ja 3, and 2 5. Now add them. It is 2, and it is 2 also. 4 and 5, that is the 9, and here is 7, and it is 1. So the paid amount is given by, how can the paid amount is equal to how much? So let us see. He paid 1,600 rupees for 11 months. So you can calculate this 1,600. It is 1,7922 minus 1,600 into 11. So what will be happen? 17922 minus there is double zero and 11 6 ja 66 6 11 ja 11 and 6 is 17. So here is the amount is, you can subtract this one. How much? It is 17922 and here is 17600. So our amount is 2 2 and here is 9 minus 6, that is 3. So our answer is 322. 322 will be your answer. So it is the answer. Let us see in the next question. Yes, you can do the some correction in your question. So let us see here. It is the 2,50,000 and here is 176,000. That is the remaining part here. You can see here, this one is here. So it is in the 10% tax. So 0 will be cancelled. So we get 17600. Adding this one, we get 17600 and the 3% of educational fees is, so 17600 into 3 upon 100. So it will be give so your 528. Let us add them. So it will be 18128 rupees. So here is he paid up to 11 months, that is the 1600 rupees. So it is subtractive from this. So it is 17600 and it is 18128. So we get 528 rupees. So that will be your answer. Yes, question number 5. So Rajesh told total annual income is financial year, that is the 2012 to 2013, that is 5,25,000. So let us see. So total income is 5,25,000. So it is the correct here. Now come to the second one is he deposit 8,000 every month in GPF. So 8,000 multiplied by 12 per month. So it is the 96,000. So let us see the next one. It will be completed and this one is completed. And the provident fund paid the annual premium of 8,000 of LIC insurance policy. So you have to see in LIC it is 8,000 and it is only one premium. So it will be 8,000 only. So add them 0 0 0 and 8 4 8 and 6 14 and 9 on 1 10. So this one is the exempted amount and this exempted is amount is more than 1 lakh, but we have subsidy that is the 1 lakh, so we can subtract only 1 lakh. So we get 4,25,000. So 4,25,000 is the taxable income. So let us see here. It is the taxable income, that is the 4,25,000. So up to 2 lakh there is no any tax, so that one is 0. But above the 2 lakh 1 rupees to above, so it is the 10%. So the remaining part is 2 lakh 25,000 and multiply by 10%. So 0 will be cancelled to this 0 and this 0 will be cancelled to this 0. So we get 22500. And here 3% is educational fees. This educational fees is 3%. So 3% of this amount. So it will be multiplied by 3 upon 100. So 0 cancelled with this 0 and this 0 will be cancelled to this 0. 3 5 ja 15 and 3 2 ja 6 and 1 7 and 3 2 ja 6. And after adding this we get 5 7 and here is 5 and 6 11, 2 and 1 3, here is 2. So this amount is the tax, that is the payable tax. So it is the tax is 23,175 rupees. That is the answer. So let us go the next. Come to the question number 6. So that one is in a financial year 2014-15. Annual income is Mrs. Bhavna, not including house rent. It is the 6 lakh rupees. So let us see what will be happen in your 6 lakh rupees. So is total income, that is the 6 lakh rupees. It is here. You can see here. And now come to the next one. And what deposit the 6 lakh. C deposit 48,000 every year in GPF. So let us see in GPF 48,000. Here is GPF, it is 48,000. So let us see the next one, and 48 it will be completed in GPF, and 25,000 as annual premium of LIC. This is the LIC policy. So it is 25,000. So you have to see here it is 25,000 in LIC. Now add the total. It is 0 and 0 and it's 0, 5 or 8, 13 and 2, 4, 6 and 1, 17, 7. So it is the 73,000 which is exempted amount. So let us see what will be happen. And it is the less than the 1 lakh, so it will be direct deducting in this income. So it is the 6 lakhs and minus 73,000. So we get 5,27,000. It is the taxable income. So let us see what will be happen. So taxable income is 5,27,000. Let us see once again 5,27,000. So you have to see here 5,27,000. So what will be happen? Up to 2,50,000 there is no any tax. So we can write here 250,000 and here is 2 once again 50,000 because it is the 250,000 to 1 to 5 lakhs. So it is 10%. And the remaining is 27,000. So in 250,000 it is the 10% income tax. So 0 will be cancelled out and this 0 will be also cancelled out. So we get 25,000 and here is it is 20%. So 0 will be cancelled out and this 0 will be also cancelled out. So it is the 27 to the 54 and it is the 5,400. Now total tax is 0 and 0 and 4 and here is 5, 5, 10 and 2 and 1, 3. So here is the educational fees. It is the on this one 3%. So it is the multiply by 3 upon 100. So 0 cancel to this 0 and this 0 will be cancelled to this 0. 3 4 ja 12 and 3 3 ja 9. So it is the 912 rupees. So adding this 2 and here is 1 and is 4 3 13 and here is 1 and it is 3. So this one is the tax which is paid by this, but in the question some tax are paid advance. So she pays 1,500 rupees every month and that is the 11th month. So it is multiplied by 11. So let us see what will be happen in this. इट इज 1,500 इंटू 11 मंथ. तो ये अमाउंट आपका माइनस हो जाएगा, डिडक्ट हो जाएगा इस वाले टैक्स में. सो इस टैक्स में से माइनस किया, सो इट इज डिडक्टिव फ्रॉम दिस टैक्स and the total amount is 14,812 rupees and that is your answer. So you have to write your answer. Next we want to see the next question and that is the last question to your exercise, that is the 7th question. Let us see what will be happen in this question. An officer annual income including house rent allowance on the financial year 2012-13, it is the 7,20,000. So you have to see here it is the 7,20,000 here. It is the correct. And what happened on the next? She deposit 300 every month towards the premium on LIC. It is life insurance policy. So 3,000 into 12. So 3,000 into 12, that is the 36,000. So let us see the next one. So it's completed. Yes. And 4,000 every month in GPF, General Provident Fund. So 4,000 is multiplied by 12. So it is the 4,000. Where is 4,000? This one. Into multiply by 12. So we get 48,000. And what about to last 30,000? He purchased National Saving Certificate, that is the 30,000. Okay, so what will be happen for this one? It is the 30,000 amount is here. So now add this. So 0 and 0 and 0, 8 and 6 and 8, that is 14, and 3 and 4, 4, 4, 8 and 3, 11. So that is the exempted money, but it is the, this money is exceed to this 1 lakh. So it is not allowed for this, only 1 lakh is exempted money. So 7,10,000 minus to 1 lakh, so we get 6,10,000. 6,10,000. So in this case there is the some exempt rebate is here also. How can say this one is rebate? She donates 20,000 and so this one is 20,000 and orphans and 50% is donation eligible for the tax rebate. So tax rebate इसका कितना मिला 20%, नहीं, that is the 50% and up to 20,000. So you can see here rebate is 50% of 20,000, we get only 10,000. So 10,000 is deducting from this income. इस टोटल इनकम में से इसकी 10,000 माइनस हो जाएगी. सो इट विल बी गेट हेयर 7,10,000. अब 7,10,000 में से ये 1 लाख का और डिडक्शन हुआ है एग्जम्प्टेड अमाउंट से, दैट इज द 6,10,000 रुपीज. इस पे हमें इनकम टैक्स पे करना है. सो लेट अस सी व्हाट विल बी हैपन फॉर टैक्स. So that is the taxable income is 6,10,000. So it is divided into the slab. In this slab, up to 22 lakhs there is no income tax. It is a 0%. That is the 0. And 2 to 5 lakh, that is the 3 lakhs. So it is a 10%. So we get 30,000. And the above, this is the 1,10,000 and it is 20%. So 0 will be cancelled to this 0 and 0 will be cancelled to this 0. Here is 1,000, so here is 1,000 and 2 multiplied to 11, so it is 22,000. Add them, add कर लो इसको 0, 0, 0 and 0 and 2 here and 3 and 2, that is the 5. And the educational fees is 3%. So you can write here 0 cancelled to 0 and this 0 will be cancelled to this. 3 0 is 0 and 3 2 is 6 and 3 5 is 15. Now add them, it is 0. And here is 6 and it is the 5 and here 2 and 1 3 and this one is the 5. So this is the tax, income tax. So you can say it is income tax and that will be your answer. ये एक्सरसाइज समाप्त हो रही है आप लोगों की इनकम टैक्स की, और सारे क्वेश्चन आप लोग कंप्लीट कर लोगे. मुझे इनकम टैक्स तक की फाइल पूरी की पूरी आपकी कॉपी पीडीएफ फाइल में चाहिए. आप लोग इसको जल्दी जल्दी कंप्लीट करके मेरे को पीडीएफ फाइल में देंगे, जिससे मैं आप लोगों के मार्क्स वगैरह आगे बोर्ड को भेज दूंगा. और ये नीचे इसके बटन दिखाई दे रहा है, इसको दबा करके सब्सक्राइब करेंगे और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चों को शेयर करेंगे. जिन बच्चों के पास नहीं पहुंचा है उनको पहुंचाने का कोशिश करिएगा. ये यहाँ तक मैं ओवर कर रहा हूँ आप लोगों को, और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करिएगा. यहाँ ये लेसन आपका और हो रहा है. इसके बाद मुझे यहाँ तक के कोर्स का पीडीएफ फाइल चाहिए. आपको पीडीएफ फाइल जो कॉपी कंप्लीट कर लिया है उसमें मुझे चाहिए. थैंक